Hello everyone. One small mistake can cause a big problem. This knife handle got too close to the fire, and now it feels loose and unsafe to use. But do not throw it away yet, because the steel blade is still in great shape. Today, I will share how to restore this knife using scrap materials found at a junkyard. Stay with me and watch the full video. Grip the blade carefully and remove the damaged wood handle. Pull it off and clean away any loose pieces. Keep only the metal part that will go inside the new handle. Head over to the scrap area and collect plastic bottle caps. Look for different colors. Red, blue, green, yellow, and black caps all work well. The color mix creates a unique pattern in the final handle. Prepare a simple mold using scrap wood pieces. Place 2 wood strips on the table and form a narrow channel shape. Add side walls to match the handle width you want. Use hot glue to lock the wood pieces together. Press firmly so the mold stays solid and does not shift. A tight mold keeps the handle shape clean and prevents plastic leaks. Take a piece of cardboard and cut it to match the end of the mold. Push the knife tang through the center of the cardboard so the metal passes through cleanly. Slide the cardboard into the mold as the back wall. This cardboard keeps the plastic from flowing out and holds the knife tang centered. Brush used motor oil inside the mold. Coat the wood surfaces lightly. Do not pour too much. This oil creates a simple release layer so the plastic does not stick to the mold later. A thin coat works best and keeps the handle easier to remove after curing. Many viewers have practical repair tips. Feel free to write yours below and share it with the community. Start melting the bottle caps. Place the caps in a metal container or on a heat-safe surface. Use a torch and heat them slowly. Move the flame around so the plastic softens evenly. Watch the caps collapse and turn glossy as they melt. Use a metal tool to stir the melted plastic so the colors blend slightly. Keep mixing until the plastic becomes thick and smooth. Pour the melted plastic into the mold until it reaches about halfway. Work carefully because the plastic stays very hot. Place the knife tang into the mold while the plastic remains soft. Push it down slowly and keep it centered. Add more melted plastic on top until the tang is fully covered. Continue heating with the torch while pouring so the plastic stays fluid and flows into every corner. This heat also helps reduce air gaps and improves bonding. Set the mold aside and allow it to cool for about 2 hours. Do not move it during this time. Cooling slowly helps the plastic harden evenly and keeps the handle strong. After 2 hours, the plastic has fully hardened. Remove the cardboard end piece and peel away the wood mold carefully. The handle now holds together as one solid piece. The surface looks rough, but the shape is clear. Clamp the knife firmly in a vise. Cover the blade with tape so you do not cut yourself while grinding. Safety matters here because the blade stays sharp even if the handle is new. Wrap the entire blade tightly with a thick paper towel and cover it from base to tip. Press the towel down so it stays flat against the steel. Use tape to secure it firmly in place and prevent it from slipping. This simple protection keeps your hands safe while grinding and shaping the handle. Use an angle grinder to shape the handle. grind slowly and keep the motion smooth. Flatten the sides and create a gentle curve so the handle fits your palm better. Rotate the knife and grind evenly on every side. Avoid grinding too deep in one spot. A steady grind gives a clean shape and prevents weak areas. The sharp edges already feel smoother, and most of the rough burrs are gone. The handle looks cleaner and more even in the hand. Keep working slowly and continue refining the shape so the grip feels comfortable and balanced from every angle. Switch to sandpaper and begin smoothing the edges. Round the corners so the handle feels comfortable. Keep sanding until the plastic feels smooth and balanced. The color pattern becomes clearer as the surface refines. Each cap adds its own shade, and the final handle looks unique. After sanding with sandpaper, the knife handle already looks much better. The surface feels smoother, the corners feel rounded, and the grip feels more comfortable in your hand. Once you feel satisfied with the shape, peel off the tape carefully and remove the paper towel from the blade. Keep your fingers away from the edge. Rinse the handle with clean water to remove plastic dust. Wipe it dry with a cloth and check the finish. The handle should feel solid and secure. Grip it tightly and test the comfort. It should not flex or shift. This knife handle came from scrap bottle caps that most people throw away. The handle feels strong, the grip feels stable, and the color pattern looks clean and attractive. A broken knife does not always mean useless. With simple tools and patience, you can recycle waste plastic and build something you can actually use. If this project gave you a useful idea, press like so others can find it. Subscribe for more practical DIY repairs you can do at home. Leave a comment and share what old tool you want to restore next.